The first thing we need to do to start mining these cryptocurrencies with unMinable is create an exclusions folder in our antivirus. We're going to use Windows Defender, and we're going to go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, scroll down to Exclusions and Add and Remove, add an exclusion folder. I'm going to choose my desktop mining folder. Can exit out. And then we can go back to unMinable, select the download tab, download with miner files included into the exclusion folder we just made. Then we can go to the folder, extract, and we can run it. And here you decide if you're mining with your GPU or CPU. And here we can select which cryptocurrency we want to mine. I'm going to use CRO crypto.com coin. Here you put the address. If you're doing CRO, you want to choose a ERC20 or Chronos address. And then you'll put in your referral code. You can use my referral code. Let's start. It should start mining. There's a few settings I like to change. I like dark mode, and then in here we will change it to high intensity. This depends on which kind of graphics card you have. If you have higher than 4 gigabytes, you can choose this one, and if you have less than 3 gigabytes, you want to keep it on this one. I have more than 4 gigs, so I'll turn it up. I like to name my miner. So name it that. And start mining on app start. I like to turn that on. Save and restart. And we should see our mega hash go up in a second. There we go. Now we're mining.